Tape script 26. Number 1.
And on Tuesday, we visited the Miro Museum on the hilltop, the incredible Sagrada Familia, the unfinished cathedral designed by Antoni Gaudi, Park Güell, and various other monuments and tourist attractions.
Number 2.
Archimedes' most famous invention was the Archimedes screw. This was a giant wooden screw cased in a wooden cylinder. It enabled sailors to bail water out of flooded ships, which was vital in naval battles. The bottom end of the screw and cylinder was placed in water. When the screw was turned, it pulled the water up the sides of the cylinder and out of the top.
Number 3.
Oh, hi, Harry. I'm likely to be late home from work tonight, so do me a favour, would you, and pop down to Lidl's for me? I need a couple of turnips, a bag of spuds, some red onions, a couple of heads of garlic, and some celery, if it looks crisp. There's money in the second drawer down of the dresser. Thanks, love. See you later.
Number 4.
Children can be reliable witnesses, provided they're asked the right kind of questions, say psychologists at Southampton University. Closed questions like, did he drink his orange juice, can be misleading and influence responses, especially if repeated. But repetition of open-ended questions like, was he drinking anything or what was he drinking, can have the opposite effect of improving recall, they found.
Number 5.
And we'll open the second week of January with massive reductions in prices on coats, jackets and suits, up to 50% off, and up to 40% on all trousers, jeans and sportswear. Underwear, shirts and jumpers, all 50% off too. And on ladies' wear, we'll do massive reductions in the shoe department.
Number 6.
And our final recommendation is The Mushroom Book by Thomas Lasset and Anna Del Conte, which catalogues 450 species with excellent illustrations. It also offers some mouth-watering recipes and detailed advice on what to pick and what to reject when hunting fungi for the kitchen.
Number 7.
What is remarkable about the animal world's attitude to water is the way so many creatures manage to survive long periods with only minimal quantities, and, the subject of today's lecture, how some actually do without it altogether. A breed of antelope on an island in the Red Sea, which is completely without water, has never been observed drinking, and it is assumed they glean their moisture from plant life. There is also the case of a small mammal, rather like a wombat.
Number 8.
I'm interested in why certain planets have moons, how our solar system was formed, and what new minerals or gases may be found on Pluto or Neptune. My study is filled with stuff on the constellations of the stars, black holes, pulsars, quasars, you name it. And my pride and joy, an observation tower and telescope in the garden.